What's up guys, it's D'Artagnan and I'm back with another video. Hey guys, today, I know last week I showed y'all my progress from Etsy after just 1 week. Hey, today we on week 2 and I'm gonna explain a little bit more, but hey, let's go ahead, check it out, and let's see the progress we made over the last week. Alright guys, so here we are back to my Etsy shop and I'm going to show y'all this progress. Mind you, I haven't done nothing since this past week. Definitely been busy, but I'm going to just show y'all me not doing anything versus me doing something due to that first week. So, going here, let's see, of course it's from today. So, let's do last 7 days, which is a week. So boom, here it is. No promoting, no anything. This is what I got the last seven days in a week. This is what I got. Of course, I'm still gonna show it when I sold my first shirt, but guys, this what happens when you just put it on there. No promotion, no anything. It's get traffic, but you gotta think. We want sales, so this is my progress after after another week. This is week 2, of course, but of course last 30 days, as you can see, it's a little bit more, 260. I think last time I showed y'all, I think it was like at 173 total views, so that means it went up almost 100 views over a week of me not doing anything. But guys, I got something and y'all gotta tune in the rest of this week because I got something that I'm gonna help change my shop and do that I realized and that I've seen other people do. That they said that if you do these things like to your shop, because I've been doing my research, but if you do certain things for your shop, that's what's gonna draw in the traffic, guys. So y'all gotta tune in because I'm gonna show y'all. Yeah, I'm going through the process to show y'all the process. That's what I'm doing, going through the process to show y'all. But as you can see, like I said, last 7 days, just 69, 70 views, which is not, I'm not mad or anything, but this is what happens when you're not out there marketing. Like the first time I marketed and I put it out there and I ended up getting almost 200 views within a week. Just doing my own thing and not even marketing every day, but doing my own, making sure I just get a shirt that people see something, But guys, I'm gonna be showing y'all gotta stay tuned this week. I'm gonna show you how you can up your Etsy store with the SEO, with mock-ups, all that stuff. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm about to do to my shop to help better it. And I'm just gonna go through the process. Like I said, going through the process to show you the process. So, hey, y'all stay tuned, stick around, because I got it. I'm finna help y'all. I'm finna help myself, finna help y'all. Hey, we all finna make it to the top. We all are gonna make it to the top. So guys, let me know in the comment what you think after week 2. Like I said, y'all gotta stick around this week. I can't promise y'all. I don't know what, it may be tomorrow. It may be Wednesday. I don't know, but stick around because between the next 2 or 3 videos I make, I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to do to help my Etsy store so we can see during week 3 the process, we can see the progress that is made, and hopefully, I'm hoping by the time I show y'all this video again, I'm hoping at least two more sales, at least 2 more, I'm not thinking nothing major, nothing big, I don't need 20, 10, and all. Hey, I just want to see 2 to know that it works. Alright, if I get more, that shows y'all even more how much it does work. So I'm gonna be showing y'all what you can do, like I said, when it comes to your SEO, when it comes to your mock-ups, when it comes to the different style shirts that you need to go. Like, you have to have a lot of details when it comes to your Etsy shop. See me, I didn't know none of this till I start actually researching, till I actually start watching other people explain, and I think I'm on somebody's email list and they breaking it down for me. So Now I'm learning, now I'm seeing. Hey, like I said before, sometimes you gotta spend money to make money. So even if it's just a couple of dollars, like $3, $6, sometimes you gotta spend that little change to make a big change. Alright, you gotta spend that little change to make some big change. Alright, but guys, that's all I have for this video. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button so y'all can stay tuned. Turn on the notification so y'all can be ready so we can help each other make it. Alright, but guys, that's all I have for this video. Hey, I hope y'all enjoy your day, enjoy your week. Hey, continue to be great out there, and don't forget, be blessed, be the best, and be you. I'm out.